morning, everyone, or good afternoon, depending where in the world you're joining us from today. Welcome to Women in Cloud Summit 2022, Day 4, bonus day. And it really is a bonus day for me because I get to be here as your MC for today's wonderful programming that we have ahead of us. I'm Olivia Bechtold. I'm the Communications and Marketing Lead for Women in Cloud. And as I said, I'll be your MC for today, and I'm looking forward to walking you through a wonderful day with some absolutely fabulous speakers. I think we're all going to be very inspired. So a little about Women in Cloud for those who are maybe joining us for the first time. Women in Cloud is a community-led economic development organization, and they are working to generate over $1 billion in net new global economic access for women entrepreneurs by 2030. So if you haven't already, make sure you download the Collective Influence Workbook so you can work through some of the sessions and have that more interactive experience. And we will put a link in the chat to download your workbook today. So as you know, we are here in Remo. You probably came into a floor looking like this, which is our lounge, and we'll be returning there later for some open networking and some roundtable discussions. So anytime that you're in Remo in this view, you'll be watching the presentation. When we go into the lounge, you can click around to join any of the tables and the conversations happening there. We also have a virtual photo booth, which is a ton of fun. We were just talking about how fun it's been. So if you haven't already checked it out, make sure you get in there, snap your selfies, make your GIFs, add your stickers. And you also have an opportunity to win Women in Cloud swag with the photo challenge if you share your photo booth photo on your social media and tag Women in Cloud. So a few more resources that you should know about. Of course, there's the event webpage where you can find all of the programming and get direct links to the different sessions. There is the event hub and activity feed where you can connect with our speakers and other attendees and participants. Of course, the virtual photo booth, which I just mentioned, lots of fun. Make sure you get your photos in there. And the Kudo board, which is where you can share positive, uplifting messages or your thoughts, feedback, insights on the event. A huge thank you to our sponsors and our corporate pass brands. If you are here, if you're a sponsor who's here with us today, drop your name and your company in the chat, give them a little shout out and a huge round of applause for our sponsors and our corporate pass friends. We could not do this without you. We also have our Collective Influence Impact Packet. So it's talking about all of the awesome things that Women in Cloud has done this year, the connections we've made, amongst others, the money we've raised, the impact we've had. So you really want to check that out and see all of the awesome stuff that we've been working on in the last year. So today's event is all about building purpose-driven lives and initiatives. So we're going to have some opening marks from Gretchen O'Hara. Then we're going to have a great workshop on building your purpose-driven life. We're also going to have a plenary power panel by Youth of STEM who are leading purpose-driven initiatives, super inspiring. Then we're going to move into a discussion opportunity. So we'll have some advisory roundtables where our youth in STEM who are joining us can network with some STEM and tech leaders existing and start talking about exploring their futures. And then, of course, we'll have our closing celebration to end this year's summit and move into some networking. We do have some power talks. They're always available. They're recorded, so definitely get in there and check them out. There's a lot of different awesome topics, awesome speakers, so you want to get all of the content that you can beyond what you're getting here today. We have some available on demand anytime. We also have a digital swag bag with lots of cool tech offers that you can use in your companies, in your businesses with all of these different awesome brands. So make sure you check that out and you get your digital swag.